Dear students, before calculating the cubes of any number, we should know the cubes of digits from 1 to 9. We know that 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729. Learning the cubes of the basic from 1 to 9 is very important for calculating the cubes or even cube root of a given number also. Let us start. Let us find the cube of 13. Say 13 cube. So to calculate this in a shortcut way, first write 1, then 3 cube is 9. Okay? Now, observe this 1 multiplied by the digit in the units place divided by the digit in the tens place. Again I repeat, this is the general rule for finding the cube of any number. The first number multiplied by the number in the units place divided by the number in the tens place. Okay, this is 1 3 is 3. Again, this number is multiplied, same rule, 3 multiplied by 3 by 1. 3 3 is 9. Now, 3 cube is, it is 27, it is not 9. 3 cube is 27. So, observe 1, 3, 9 and 27. This 9, when it is multiplied by 3 by 1, we have to get the last number. Means 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, and while calculating this, when this number 9 is multiplied by 3 by 1, we have to get this number. This is how we have to counter check. Now, in between we have two digits. These two digits are to be doubled. Means 3 2 is 6, 9 2 is 18. Then we have to add. So 7. This 2 is to be added here. This is 9. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is to be added here. So 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 6, 1. So the answer is 2197. The concept of finding the cubes can be understood very easily. Let us take another number, 16 cube. Now, 1 cube is 1. 6 cube is here what? 216. Okay? Now, 6 divided by 1. This one needs to be multiplied by 6 divided by 1. 1 6 is 6. And this 6 is again multiplied by 6 by 1. 6 multiplied by 6 by 1. Now 6 is 36. Now this 36, if you multiply by 6 by 1, then we have to get this 216. Just to verify. In between we have two numbers. These two numbers are to be doubled. 6 2 is 12. 36, if you double, then you will get 72. Now we add. What unit digit you take 6 here? This 21 is to be added here. Then 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 you add here. Then 6 plus 4, 10. 3 is to be added here. This is 4. So the answer is 4096. 24 cube. First digit 2. 2 cube is 8. Second digit is 4. 4 cube is 64. Now, 4 by 2. This first digit is to be multiplied by 4 by 2. then which is nothing but 8 to the 16. Again, this 16 is to be multiplied by 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2, 32. When you are multiplying this 32 by 4 by 2, means you will get 64. Okay? Now, this in between these two numbers are to be doubled. 16 to the 32. Now it is 64. Now we add. Take only 4. This 6 is to be added here. 10 plus 2, 12. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is to be added here. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is to be added here. 8 plus 5 is 13. So the answer is 13,824. 39 cube. 3 cube is 27. And 9 cube is 729. Now, this 27 is to be multiplied by 9 by 3, means 3 times. 27 3 is 81. Then 81 is to be multiplied by 9 by 3. 9 by 3 was here. 87 3 is 243. Okay. Now, we have to double these two digits. 81 2 is 162. 243 means 486. Now let us add. Add only 9. This is 72. We have to add here. 3 plus 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Now 8, 16, 20. This is 8. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2 is 22. 1 plus 2, 3. Means whatever we are adding here, only the units digit we have to take here, and remaining we have to shift to the or transfer to the next place. Now the answer is 59319. Just simply you can verify this with the calculator. Forty-five cube. 4 cube is 64. Then 5 cube is 125. Now, this 64 is to be multiplied by 5 by 5. Okay? 64 is to be multiplied by 5 by 4. How much you get? The number is 80. Again, this 80 is to be multiplied by 5 by 4. Now we will get 420. 20 into multiple, this is 100. Now, this 100, when you are multiplying it by 5 by 4, 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja, 25 5 ja, 125, how to get this number? That's how we have to counter check. Now, let us double. This is 160 and this is 200. Now, while adding, we have to take only 5. This 12 is to be added here. Now 2, 10 plus 30, 30 plus 1, 31 add here. Now 1, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 8, 17. Now 2, 27 add here. Now we have to add here. 7 plus 4 is 11. Now it is 9. 9, 1, 125 is the answer. Let us take another example. 64 cube. Now 6 cube is 200. 16. 4 cube is 64. Okay. Now 216 multiplied by 4 by 6. Now how much you will get? Now it is 144. Now this 144 multiplied by 4 by 6. You will get 96. Now this 96, when you are multiplying by 4 by 6, now how much you will get? 64. Okay? Now, 144 is to be doubled, then you get 288. 96 is to be doubled, you get 192. So we add. We have to take only 4. This 6 is to be added here. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Now, 19 plus 1, 20 plus 9, 29 add here. Now it is 17 plus 4, 21. 12 plus 4, 16. Now it is 4. Okay, if you add here 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 2. Now this answer is 262144 is the answer. 93 cube. Now 9 cube is 729. Final 3 cube is 27. I am writing here. Now, this 729 multiplied by 3 by 9. 3 by 9 means it is 1 by 3. 729 multiplied by 1 by 3. We will get 243. Now, this 243 multiplied by 1 by 3. We will get 81. And this 81 multiplied by 1 by 3. You will get 27. Okay? Now, the middle numbers are to be multiplied. Means they are to be doubled. 6, 8, 4, 162. Let us add. This 7. This 2 is to be added here. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. And now it is 2. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 3. 13. Now, 11 plus 4 is 15. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. Now we add. 9 plus 4 is 9 plus 5, 14. This is 0 and this is 8. So the answer is 804357. I think you have understood my concept of the shortcut for finding the cubes of a number. Please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe, then all my future videos will be notified to you. Thank you.